I'm going to show you how to make. Today I'm going to show you an official video. It's an official video to show you how much food I have. I'm going to tell you some history. So be careful to watch over the histories because sometimes it's really awesome. Look at this. I made this with my sister, but I'm not going to show you how to make it. It's a secret of making a Kinder Joy. Even so, I'm really good at painting, so I drawed this at the behind. I copied a Kinder Joy snap. Even so, my sister was also great. She could only draw this and color it in golden. Kinder. Can you read it? This is really colored cameras. So let's start about my history. My history is all about things that I have. So, the history is something that we can do. Something like if this Kinder Joy paper, sorry, this, I just check in room if my shoulder down. This Kinder Joy paper, no, they're not down. This Kinder Joy paper is clear and white. Look at here. You can look very nicely. I'll put it for some time. Very close. Look at this. It's so clear and white. Look, it's so clear and white. Now, it's so clear and white. See, you saw it. You saw that it's so clear and white, yeah? Now, Pagabella, Sake. Ta-da! I put it in front of you without using my second hand. I was holding it like this. Holding it like this, yeah? I hold it like this and showing you. Then it's a magic trick. And it came chocolate. That's all of my magic tricks. How about if you want to see another one? Let's taste a small Kinder. Tastes pretty nice. This time we're gonna make a trick with a bottle. Like this. This water bottle. Sorry, I have to close it. This water bottle is tied. Right? This water bottle is tied. Only a little bit of space is left. Look at this bottle very nicely. Look at this water bottle. Okay. Look at this water bottle so nicely. You cannot even believe how much this water bottle costs and how much it can be. Now, look at it now. Look, it's a magic trick. It's opening, but first of all, it is tied. That's what my second magic trick. I only have 3 magic tricks learned by now, so I'm going to show you the last one and then bye-bye. Look at this one. This is with my spoon. Look at this. Every spoon has Kinder written on it, yeah? Kinder is over here, and Kinder is over here. So, what am I gonna do is I love to eat more. Actually, I'm gonna show you how the skin there can disappear. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ana hasbu ake albaspu ama hey. Now look at the skin there. It disappeared. You can see nothing except blank white. And on this side, it remains. Ta-da! It's my magic trick. So I hope if you like to subscribe, and if you don't believe, then I don't need. But it's one of my famous girl. I'm the first famous girl. That's joking.